Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to troubleshoot issues you're having with your Windows Store apps on your Windows 11 computer. So if the Windows Store isn't working right or you're having a problem with the apps, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button and go ahead and select Settings. Select System on the left side. And now on the right side, you want to go down underneath Troubleshoot. Go ahead and left click on that. Select Other Troubleshooters. And now on the right side, you want to go underneath Other and select Windows Store Apps. Select Run. And then if it wants you to sign in with a Microsoft account, go ahead and do that and select Next. Select Next again. If it finds anything, like you saw there were a couple messages here, it should say fix if you went ahead and actually did it. So pretty straightforward. And something else you can do here too, if you go in the apps option, select apps and features, go ahead and left click on that. Locate whatever app is giving you the problem here. Let's say it's a Microsoft Store itself. So I'm just going to type in Store and then Microsoft Store should come up. I'm going to go ahead and select the three-dotted icon next to it and then select Advanced Options. You want to go ahead and scroll down here. Underneath Reset, if the app isn't working right, we can try and repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Select Repair. And then restart your computer and then hopefully your issue should have been resolved. If you're still having a problem, you can try and reset the app, which will delete it on the device. So go ahead and select Reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Go ahead and select Reset. And then you can close out of here. Something else you can try here too would be to open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in SFC followed by a space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so you can see it finished here. Close out of here and restart your computer. Okay guys, there you go. So hopefully I was able to resolve the problem. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.